Hey y'all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the north, more specifically Aurora, Ohio. And I'm outside the gates of a former amusement park named Geauga Lake. Now, this theme park has went through many incarnations. In fact, it was one of the oldest theme parks in the country, opening in 1889, with their first ride being a steam-powered carousel. Now, the park would continue being in operation for decades. At one point, they opened up Seaworld, Ohio, in the same vicinity. Now, the fact that there was ever a Seaworld in Ohio boggles my mind. I don't know if there's a less ocean feeling state than Ohio, but that's nonetheless, I guess they wanted to bring the ocean to the people of Ohio and let them see things that they might not get to see in normal everyday life here in Ohio. The property was eventually merged with SeaWorld when it was purchased by Six Flags, and with that merger it became the largest theme park in the country. But then in 2007 it would shutter its gates for good. Many of the rides were auctioned off. In fact, there's some of the rides you can still ride because they're now in different amusement parks. Now, this is inaccessible by foot. Look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my drone, Possum 3. We're going to launch her up into the air and see what we can see of Geauga Lake. So that's what remains of Geauga Lake. As I said, the roller coasters have been removed, have been sent to other locations. Crazy how something can be a bustling theme park just over a decade ago, and now is just this almost abandoned footprint of what an amusement park used to be. Appreciate you guys watching. If you like to see other places I've been, amusement parks, both abandoned and non-abandoned, as well as roadside attractions and museums, please check the interactive map down in the description. If you'd like to help support the channel, consider buying a t-shirt. If you'd like to contribute on Patreon, a $3 or more donation will get you a postcard once a month. All that information is down in the description. But for now, this one's in the bag.